Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Purple Passion, and this one is, uh, bought to me by Jayesh, one of my group mates. So again, thanks to him. So this he bought in Dubai, and you can see the shortcut. And unfortunately, we didn't get these things in India. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one looks. So this one is a treasure hunt actually, as you can see here. So in India, we got the Purple Passion. I don't even remember what the color is now, but we bought. I think the color changes we bought. I didn't buy that one because it's a fantasy casting. So this one looked, first of all, this is a treasure hunt, and second one, it looked a bit different since it comes under the art car series. So I wanted to have it and see how it actually looks in hand. So I actually came to know that this one is based on the Hirohota Merc. So but I'm not sure whether that's the truth. So if you guys know what this car is based out of, just drop me in the comments. I will also learn. So you can see the logo, Treasure and logo here. So let me just put this aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. Okay, so the initial impressions, it does look really nice. So you can see the Treasure and logo here, and the paint pattern here, which looks really nice. Okay, overall the paint job does look really nice. Maybe a little bit of, I don't know, maybe got smeared on here, but it does look really nice. It doesn't have any headlight details. The grill detail looks really nice because it's plastic. So the body is metal and the chassis is plastic. So from the grill here and till here, this is plastic, and this part everything is metal. And you can see some scratches here. So I thought this is only special for India, but looks like every country gets these kind of cute gifts from Mattel, like minor scratches and some irregular paint jobs and all. Thanks Mattel. And okay, I really do like the rims. I mean, it's common, it is getting used in a lot of cars nowadays, but the way they actually painted it, it matches with the trims matches with the body. So which looks really nice. Okay, even the tires also is, it's actually the same color. That is really nice. Let me just try to put some more light here. Okay, okay, let's do a roll test real quick. So since a lot of people asked me to keep it in an inclined way, so I just kept a 1 inch what whatever that is I got. So I kept it there for now, like a temporary fix for now. So let's try and do a roll test now. Okay, it does reach at least till this point. Okay, it does have wheel wobble. I'm not sure about the rear wheels because it is fully covered, but the front wheels does wobble a little bit. Okay, it does wobble a lot. Okay, so exhaust details on the side, I didn't notice that before. Okay, so overall the casting is really beautiful, and if you get a chance to buy this one, go ahead and get it instead of the Purple Passion which we got in India. So if anyone goes to Dubai or US or somewhere, any European countries as well, usually Europe market has the shortcuts, which I came to know some time back. So because if you see in USA, they will get the same size of cards like we do in India. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.